What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make more sales with $25 1-up. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop these videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, so what I'm about to do is log into my back office with $25 1-up. You have to be making content consistently. You have to brand out. You have to be a leader. You have to show people methods that actually work. So that's why with this system you don't really need a sponsor, but you could still, use other people's methods and helps that's getting them money. Like I learn from other people and other people learn from me. So it's just one big team. We all helping each other. And if you're not part of our support group, I will put the link below. You can go ahead and join that group. You can see a lot of proof, testimonials. You can see, how many people is actually making money with this system. And I like it. It's amazing. So today I got paid. I got a commission not too long ago, and I might go to my business. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so I had to zoom in for privacy reasons. The leads, name, phone number, email, all of that has to be disclosed. As you can see, they paid their hosting fee and they came in at the gold level, and soon they will upgrade to the platinum level, and I will earn 100% instant commissions off 100. So if this was you and somebody came in here at the gold level, you would get paid a $25 commission. If you was at the platinum level, you would get paid $100 commission. And if you was at the diamond level, you would get paid $250. Enterprise, $500. And elite, you would get paid $1,000. Here is an example of when someone came in at the gold, platinum, and the diamond level. So I earned $375 here just from one particular lead. Okay, so let me show you exactly where this lead came from today. Let me show you exactly where this sale actually came from. Okay, so here is where I get my leads. Okay, my lead gen secret is where I get 100 to 200 leads every single day on autopilot that I share my businesses with, okay, through email marketing. Now this particular email marketing system has done me so good. Let me log in and show you how many leads I actually have just by being a part of this company. I have 13,800 leads. All right, and I only been a part for 2 months. Okay, all right, I only been a part for 2 months, and I have 13,800 leads that I could send out emails to with one click of a button. All I have to do is come down here and load one of the emails that I already have inside the system, and I could just click one. So this right here was the email that I sent out. All right, it say heads up with the caution sign. And I was talking about $25 1-up. I was promoting the gold level at the time, and let me show you. So I said, so reply to this email if you have your $35 ready, so I can send you the page to enroll in ASAP and place you ASAP. So this was the email. This is how I know where the sale came from, because I've been promoting this email to this marketing system. I've been promoting that email through this system to my leads. And let me show you where you can keep up with everything. So this was the email I sent out on the 29th. 1,464 people opened it. 152 people actually clicked on the link. All right. So this is what it looked like, and they clicked on my link. Okay. And it went directly to my Done For You photo page that $25 1-up has created for me. Do you get the picture how everything is on autopilot? I don't really have to explain anything. It just take them right through everything. Okay, so they'll see testimonials, Then once they put their email here, they get more additional information, additional testimonials, and they just get so much, and it would guide them through signing up with you. So once again, it's automation. You don't have to do nothing but focus on marketing. So let me go back to this. This is where my leads came from. So you can see I have multiple emails that I sent out. I promote different offers through these email lists, and once again, it's just one click of a button. I don't have to go through and email them manually. And also, I've been earning commission with this system as well. Once you refer people to this system, you get paid $5, and then once you refer 5 people, you get $100 bonus each time. So right now I've earned $10 with this system by referring other people, but I haven't actually been just promoting this system. It hasn't been my main focus. But let me show you what $25 1-up has done that allowed me to actually start promoting it a little better. So if you come in at the lowest level, you will have access to this sales funnel. Let me go to it really quickly. So with $25 1-up, they made a sales funnel actually for my lead gen secret, and it's actually converting. So this is another reason why I like $25 1-up. It has multiple income streams that will allow you to get paid. Okay, here it promotes it for you. Real members are generating 100 200 leads per day just for $1 a day, because once you go to the page, you will understand how everything works. But $25 1-up has done a great job with doing this right here. So once they click this, it'll go directly to the checkout page of my Gen Lead Secret that is connected to your account. Now let me show you my leads right quick, guys. Let me show you really quickly so you can see how congruent it is with the 100 to 200 leads per day. All right, today is May 1st. I got 200 leads today, yesterday, the day after that, and on and on and on, guys. Every single day, it has not missed a day. It has not missed a day. I will be guaranteed 200 leads a day. So imagine what you could do with 200 leads a day with your online business. But this is not the only, traffic source you could use. You can still use Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, Snapchat, Google ads, Facebook ads, all of the traffic sources. You need as many traffic sources as possible, but you could add this one here and just get leads on autopilot. All right. So if you want more information to this lead generation secret, it will be below. If you're looking to make daily commissions, the information of $25 1-up also will be below. Check it out. Other than that, check it out. I will see you guys on the inside.